Hello and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are going to dive deep into a crucial topic for the modern printing industry. How ISO 10370 contributes to waste reduction in printing industries. In a world focused on environmental sustainability and cost efficiency, understanding and applying ISO 10370 standards can be a game changer. This session is designed to provide a comprehensive learning experience covering the background, technical elements, practical benefits, implementation strategies, and future perspectives of ISO 10370 in the context of waste reduction. Introduction to ISO 10370. ISO 10370 2021 is a standardized method developed by the International Organization for Standardization that outlines procedures for determining the ash content in pulps, paper, and boards. Ash content refers to the inorganic residue left after combustion. In the printing industry, understanding ash content is essential because it impacts the recyclability, print quality, and overall production efficiency. ISO 10370 enables better control over raw materials, directly contributing to reduced material waste. Waste in the printing industry. An overview. Types of waste. In the printing industry, waste can be categorized into pre-consumer waste, overproduction, setup sheets, test prints. Post-consumer waste, printed material discarded by the end user. Production waste, ink, solvents, paper trimmings, and chemical residues. Environmental and economic impact. High levels of waste not only affect the environment, but also increase cost in raw materials, energy, and disposal. Tackling this waste is essential for sustainable operations and long-term profitability. ISO 10370 and material optimization. ISO 10370 helps identify the ash content, which allows manufacturers to select paper and pulp materials with optimized compositions for better printing results and less wastage. With the standard ash testing, manufacturers can detect inconsistencies in input material early in the process. This means fewer errors during printing, which directly reduces scrap paper and reprinting needs. Reduction of setup and testing waste. Knowledge of ash content can be used to fine-tune the press calibration for different batches of paper. This minimizes the need for multiple test runs and setup sheets, a major source of waste. Consistent material behavior results in predictable printing performance, reducing the number of trial and error runs and thereby lowering paper and ink waste. Process stability and control. By maintaining consistent ash content levels across production lots, organizations can ensure stable machine performance. This stability leads to fewer disruptions and less waste due to unexpected material behavior. Paper with controlled ash content as defined by ISO 10370 is often more easily recyclable, reducing the need for virgin pulp and aligning with circular economy goals. ISO 10370 and digital printing processes. Even in digital printing, where material standards are tighter, ISO 10370 offers insight into how paper interacts with toner and inkjet systems. Aligned precision-driven material selection, digital printing often uses short runs and material waste per job is critical. Using ISO 10370 as a material assessment tool ensures every run is optimized with minimal paper loss. Quality audits and continuous improvement. ISO 10370 provides objective quality metrics. During internal audits, ash content data can be used to track performance trends and identify areas generating excess waste. When production errors occur, ash content analysis can pinpoint the problem source, whether it's due to poor material selection or inconsistency in inputs. Regulatory and customer compliance. Many environmental laws require traceability and minimization of waste. ISO 10370 enables documentation that supports compliance with waste and chemical use regulations. Consistency in material and product quality leads to higher client retention and fewer reprints, ultimately reducing waste associated with returned or rejected jobs. Integration with other management systems. ISO 10370 plays a role in supporting ISO 14001 environmental management systems by offering measurable input control that supports waste minimization objectives. By contributing to raw material standardization, ISO 10370 supports ISO 9001 principles such as continuous improvement and defect prevention, both critical in waste reduction. Training and awareness building. Training workers to understand and interpret ISO 10370 data empowers them to make real-time decisions that reduce material loss and enhance product quality. Engaging procurement, production, and quality control teams around ash content standards ensure holistic waste reduction across departments. Implementation challenges and solutions. Initial barriers may include lack of technical understanding, resistance to change, or costs related to testing equipment. Solutions include training programs, outsourcing ash content testing, or phased implementation tied to quality KPIs. Future perspectives as the printing industry embraces Industry 4.0, integrating ISO 10370 data into smart systems will lead to real-time process optimization and predictive waste management. ISO 10370 provides a foundational tool for any organization committed to net zero waste goals, enabling the efficient use of resources and fostering sustainable growth. To sum it up, we can say that ISO 10370 is not just a test method. It is a strategic tool for transforming the printing industry into a leaner, greener, and more efficient sector. By reducing material waste, enhancing recyclability, and improving product quality, this standard empowers businesses to align with global sustainability goals. Thank you for joining us at TMV Academy. If you found this session valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Drop your questions and feedback in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Until next time, keep printing smart and sustainably. Goodbye.